Hey guys, it's me Toby with another Poketown video, and today I'm doing a very special video. And what makes this video so special, you might be wondering? Well, I'm doing my very first English Pokemon card pack opening. I have 3 packs of Perfect Order English to open up for this video. I've never done an English pack opening before. So I'm really excited. And also really nervous, to be completely honest, because if this video doesn't do well, probably not going to do another English pack opening anytime soon. Without further ado, let's open pack 1 of 3. I'm going to guess Fire Energy, by the way. Alright. Hopefully we get something good. Come on, better than a holo. Because holos are guaranteed in an English pack. Alright, reverse. Reverse. Okay, nothing in this pack, and I think I guessed fire, so I was wrong because it's a psychic. And code card for all you online players. Next pack, 2 out of 3. Hopefully we get a hit in this video. Oh, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when more videos come out. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of the video. Believe me, I can use all the support I can get after this. Cool. Reverse, moment of truth. Alright! Meowth EX! Rock on! Forgot to do guess the energy, but it ended up being a water energy. Probably wouldn't have gotten that. And of course, code card. Final pack. Pack 3 of 3. Now let's open this, and I'm gonna guess lightning energy for an electric ending of this video. If I can get this pack open. Alright. Will this video end off with electricity? Only one way to find out. So far, our only pull is the Meowth, but that's okay. And again, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of the video. Because I really am not going to make a habit of opening an English pack opening. I'm doing this for a very special occasion. Moment of truth. Will we get another hit? Reverse. No bloody way. Is that what I think it is? No. Oh, God. If I'm not mistaken, this is an SIR. One of the hardest rarities to get. Actually, the hardest rarity to get. And I guess electric. I was wrong about the energy, but I really don't care. That's amazing. Our 2 hits of the video. Right here. Oh man, that was 100% worth opening these packs. Thank you so much for watching. And see you guys in the next Poketown video. Bye.